Google's official I/O 2026 recap picked 3 Chrome updates to celebrate. The one that actually matters isn't on the list. If you're running headless Chrome for scraping, enrichment, or lead verification, you have roughly 6 weeks before a quiet deprecation in the release notes starts killing your selectors in production. Most recap videos rank updates by developer excitement. I rank them by what breaks an agent fleet that pays rent. I run 60 concurrent Chrome sessions daily against live sites, so I can tell you which demos were vaporware and which line item nobody read is a ticking clock. Let's start with what Google didn't say out loud. Here's what happened. At I/O 2026, Google put out an official recap naming their top 3 Chrome and DevTools updates for developers. Modern web guidance, DevTools for agents, and AI assistance inside DevTools. 2 of those 3 are behind flags in stable Chrome right now. One is Canary only. That's the headline reel. The part nobody clipped, nobody tweeted, and nobody put on a slide is a deprecation notice sitting in the Chrome release notes. A selector-related CDP method, the one a huge chunk of headless automation quietly depends on, is marked for removal. The runway is about 6 weeks in Canary before it lands in stable. If your agent uses it, your agent stops working. No error banner, no migration prompt. It just returns empty, and your enrichment pipeline logs a success on a page it never actually passed. That's the worst kind of failure. Silent, delayed, and expensive. Now here's why this matters if you're running any kind of business on top of browser automation. A lead gen agent fleet, a scraper, a screenshot verifier, a competitor monitoring bot, a price checker, an invoice fetcher from a supplier portal. All of these are usually built on Chrome DevTools protocol, or a wrapper like Playwright or Puppeteer. When the underlying protocol changes, every one of those tools inherits the break. The frameworks will patch eventually. Your custom scripts won't patch themselves. And the small businesses I talk to, the ones who paid a freelancer 18 months ago to build a scraper that just runs, those are the ones who wake up in Q1 to a dashboard full of zeros and no idea why. The official recap didn't warn them. The framework changelogs won't warn them until it's already broken. So here's what to do this week, not next quarter. Open your automation project. Search the codebase for any direct CDP calls, any legacy selector methods, any code your framework marked as deprecated in the last 2 release notes. If you find matches, wrap them in a fallback that tries the new API first and drops to the old one only if it fails. 3 lines of defensive code and you buy yourself the entire migration window without a rewrite. Then set a calendar alert for 6 weeks out to actually delete the fallback. That's it. That's the whole fix. It takes an afternoon if you catch it now, and a full rebuild if you catch it after it breaks. My hot take: if you're running headless Chrome anywhere in your stack, scraping, enrichment, lead gen, competitor monitoring, the full deprecation list and the 3-line migration snippet are on BizflowAI. I.io. That's also where you can see the kind of agent fleets we build and maintain for clients, so this stuff doesn't blindside you.